Assalamu alaikum everybody. This is my 33rd algorithm video, and in this video we are given three numbers. These three numbers are distinct, they are not duplicates, and we need to find a number which is the middle one. So I make two variables, the smallest number and middle number. And I make a for loop for I in list number. If I is smaller than the smallest number, I give the previous value of smallest number to the middle number, and I update the smallest number by giving it the I value. And if I is smaller than your middle number, then I give I to the middle number. Then I print middle number, and as you can see, 200 is the middle number in this list. If I change the number to 978 518 300, so the middle number is 518. I hope you liked the video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.